This is Motorola Edge 40, and today I will show how you can check your data usage on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then enter the network and internet category. Onwards, open the, if you would like to see your Wi-Fi usage, go for the internet and open the non-carrier data usage page. That's the info or data about your VLAN or non-operator data usage. On the other hand, if you would like to see your cellular or mobile data usage, go for the mobile network over here. And at the very top of the page, you can see the general amount of mobile data you have used. If you will scroll the page down a little, you will find the app data usage section, which will provide you with a more detailed information on your, mobile data usage. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.